how to enable or disable headphone notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Headphone Safety. At the top here, tap on Headphone Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When it is turned on, it will show you the number of notifications appeared in the last 6 months. So to protect your hearing, your iPhone will measure headphone audio levels. If you exceed the recommended 7-day limit, a notification is sent to and the volume is turned down. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.